Gonna go see the whales with abuelo. And on a boat to your favorite rocket boat.
Yep.
Holla, holla, holla. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Boat 2 times.
2 times. So pretty. Got you?
Yeah.
Dad? Why is my dad trying to catch the seagulls? The scariest things are the pigeons here?
Yeah.
How do they go? Yeah, near your face? Ooh. Oh, no.
They're sleeping.
You see the sea lions, Flo? You want to go right there next to them? There they are. Oh, they're so cute. I want one. They're so fat. Okay.
I want the white one.
You want the white one? Oh shit! You almost fell. There's a prison here. It carries ¿cuántas personas? 1,000, right? 1,000 men. Scarred base. Very, very cool.
Listen, all these people.
Yeah, that looks scary. I don't know. I want to go over there.
What?
Ooh. Front Mercy. Oh, that's cool. So we're about to go under the bridge?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Look down now. Look down.
Why? Who's there?
There.
¿Cuánto está?
That's
On the left-hand side by the base of the bridge, we have Catalina Express. Over there, you can catch a fast bus to Catalina Island.
Oh, so
We're options there,
cool.
$75.
World War II ship, right?
Oh, I saw.
Cool.
I said hi.
Say hi.
I did.
Enjoy the ride, kid. I thought it would go in a circle. You picked it. Come
You can do
on.
it.
Say party people.
People, come on.
Put your hands up.
Hands up.
I can't do it.
You're a scaredy cat. Say party people.
Bye.
Go, go, go before a cop sees you. Get up.
No.
Just had dinner with my father. He's trying to act like he doesn't see my Snapchat. You're gonna go to bed? Hmm? What'd you say?
Right here.
No, you're not sleeping in my spot.
Snapchat. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Give me a kiss.
You want a soda with that chicken noodle soup? Too bad you're not gonna get soda.